Yes,
But
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
let me put the ground rules very clearly. I want a list of the name of the teachers and the phone numbers who are going to be attending the training. And in case you're not attending the training, I want them to message on the group, please. Is that okay? Is that asking?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, sure.
Am I doing this training for myself or am I doing this training for you?
गीता मैम,
Yes.
संगीता ज्वाइन कर रही है मगर वो हो नहीं पा रही है.
Yes. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Okay, so today I'm doing the recording, but henceforth I want the list and the phone numbers and the names so that I know how many teachers have attended. And
Hello, Sangeeta, Geeta,
yes,
Geeta. I'm Chaitali Gupta.
hello Chetali Diti.
Hello.
Namaste.
नमस्ते. दूसरा भी 2-3 क्लास चल रहा है एंड मेरे को भी 2-3 जगह जाना पड़ा अभी. 2-3 जगह जाके फिर मैं आती हूँ आई है. तो हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा फुल मैंने बता देंगे जिनको जिनको नहीं आना है वो लोग नहीं आएंगे. बट इतना कुछ लोग को शायद मैसेज नहीं मिला जो लोग नया लोग. मुझे पता नहीं कितना लोग आया है. सो ऑलमोस्ट सभी लोग आया. कुसुम आ गया. बाकी इम्पोर्टेंट जो लोग हैं वो लोग आ गए.
हाँ, बट द पॉइंट इज ये ट्रेनिंग है ना, ये ऐसा अगर उनको नहीं समझ में आएगा कॉन्सेप्ट्स तो वो लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाएंगे ना दीदी. आप समझ रहे मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ?
हाँ, मेरे को समझ में आया लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं संगीता कौन नहीं आया. संगीता नहीं आई खाली.
मैम वो ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रही है, वो कब से ट्राई कर रही
हाँ,
हो.
मैं भी बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रहा था. नहीं हो रहा था. रिजेक्ट हो रहा
ट्राई
था.
कर रही हो, नहीं हो पा रही है.
हाँ, उसको बोलो जो पहला नंबर करके फिर वो ALLISWELL
डाला, वो मीटिंग आईडी डाला, फिर पासवर्ड भी डाला, ऑल इज वेल वाला, मगर वो नहीं हो पा रही है ज्वाइन.
मुझे भी नहीं हो रहा था. बार रिजेक्ट हो रहा था. फिर अभी हुआ.
ओके, अभी किसने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है उसके लिए मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग कर दिया है. ओके, और
मेरे ख्याल से खाली संगीता नहीं किया है.
I don't know. Honestly, I'm totally lost because I don't have the list of the teachers.
हाँ, सिर्फ संगीता ही बाकी है, बाकी सबने ज्वाइन किया.
खाली सब लोग ज्वाइन किया. सपना को पता ही नहीं था क्योंकि काली सपना मुझे बोल रहा था जब मुझे मालूम नहीं है क्योंकि मैं 7th का टीचर हूँ. 6 तक ले रहा है ऐसा बोल रही थी.
Okay. So let's start, and the ground rules are please log in 5 minutes before so that we start on time. Let's respect each other's time. And if you're not able to join for whatever reason, please inform me that I am not able to join half an hour before. Huh? Please let me know. Okay? Is that okay? Is that okay, everybody? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's and whoever has missed the Saturday training, please understand what we have learned from some other teacher. Okay. And after the training, I'm going to take an exam or some kind of a review to understand whether you've understood this whole training. So don't take it कि हाँ कुछ भी चलता है. No, I am going to understand whether you've understood or not. So please keep that in mind. Huh? So let's start with humming. Just sit comfortably. Just sit comfortably. Just relax. Take about 15 seconds to settle down. Just focus on your breath. And now whenever you're ready, we are going to do 5 rounds of humming, which means we breathe in and on exhale, we do a humming sound like that. So let's do 5 rounds of humming. Let's breathe in together. One more time, breathe in. Another time. And one last time, breathe in. And now relax, stay in silence for another 30 seconds and just allow your body and mind to be at ease. And whenever you're ready, very gently come back and open your eyes. Okay, so let me share the screen again. So first of all, I want each and every teacher to finish their symptom checklist. I had explained this to you last time. Whoever wasn't there on Saturday, please understand what is the meaning of symptom checklist from your co-teacher. I'm going to email this to you. I think I'm going to email this to Pooja because I have her email ID. She can email to the rest of them. Okay. So the symptoms means what are the issues that you are facing in your classroom. That is the meaning of symptom checklist. Okay. Now let me share the other document, which is the master toolkit. Master toolkit is what we are learning. So first we understood on Saturday was the real understanding and the meaning of a teacher. What is a teacher? So teacher is a guru, teacher is someone who guides, teacher is like a parent. What are the foundations that a teacher should keep in mind? No bias, no partiality, teach with love and compassion. Don't teach because you have to. Teach in the way a child wants to study. Bring in that special quality that you have. All these things we understood last Saturday. Now, what were the tools that we studied last time? One was humming, which is what we are going to practice every single time. Humming, which is when we breathe in and on exhale, you do a humming sound. Okay. Second is we understood release. Now, what is the meaning of release? To release all the impurity that's inside of you, which could be anger, which could be a physical pain, which could be stress, which could be any problem, fear, anything. How do we do that? We do a boat, write the problem, write the emotion and make a boat out of it and then let it sail. Airplane, tearing paper, scribbling, talking gibberish language, which is like a Chinese language, blah, blah, blue, blue, whatever. Or, and another is saying blah, blah. So Chinese language could be ching, chong, chong, whatever. We are clear up till now? Everybody is clear? Kusum? Yes, okay. Now, second tool, a third tool that we are going to learn is to connect with the body. Now, what is the meaning of connect with the body? Let's do this. Let's understand this by practicing it. So why don't each of you close your eyes? Close your eyes, connect with your body. Just close your eyes. Leave everything aside. Just close your eyes. Just feel your body. Each of you connect with your body. For example, if you're feeling any fear, any pain in the body, any anger, whatever you're feeling, breathe in and breathe out and feel that in the body. Just take a moment to feel what is happening inside your body. Maybe you have a problem, any problem. When you think of that problem, what is happening in the body? Is there tightness? Where is the tightness? Feel the sensation. So scan your body from head to toe. And as you're scanning your body like a machine, scan through your breath, through your awareness. And as you're scanning, maybe you feel a strong sensation in a particular part of your body. If you're able to touch that body, I would like you to touch that body with your hand. Touch that body. Touch that body part, whether it's your knee, your chest, your hips, your stomach, your throat, your face, your head, your brain, wherever you're feeling, whether it's a stress, fear, anger, whatever it is. Touch that body part and breathe. Take about 5 deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe. And as you're breathing, say to this body part, I feel you and I'm with you. And say it as loudly as you can, like just either whisper or as loudly. You say it verbally. Don't say it in your mind. Say it out loud. Breathe and say to this body part, I'm with you and I feel you. And again, breathe. And all that I want you to do is just relax. Just relax. Take about 1 minute, 60 seconds to just relax. Relax in the way you feel like, through breathing, through letting go, through lying down, to just letting your body loose. Just relax. Drop your head, drop your shoulders, just relax. And whenever you're ready, very gently come back and open your eyes. So, who would like to share what happened? What happened before and after, like in a span of 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Sapna, would you like to share? Before, पहले कैसा था? एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट किया उसके पहले और एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद क्या चेंज आया?
Feeling relaxed, ma'am.
Yes, but if you can tell me the scale. So for example, my anger was at the scale of 9 and then it became at 3. Or if it is reverse, where 10 is very bad or very good, sorry, then your anger could be 3 and now it's good, which is 9, something like that. So we know the measuring.
Yeah, there's a difference between previous and current experience. Anger तो little bit कम हुआ ही है, ma'am. On scale, I can say it's 5.
Okay.
50-50.
Okay. So where did you feel the body sensation in your body?
I feel sensation in my heart.
So you kept your hand on your heart?
Yes.
And did you say, I see you and I hear you, I'm with you? I feel you and I'm with you?
No, not like that. But
Okay.
I just feel the sensation in my heart.
Yes, but when you say it, you're
Okay.
actually saying it and you're meaning it. So that is
Okay.
important. Anybody who wants to share? Thank you, Sapna, for sharing. Anybody else who would like to share? What was the experience before and after? Like, did you feel a 70% difference, 20% difference? What was it? And tell me exactly kaisa laga. The more precise you are, the easier it is for us to understand. Anybody? जब तक शेयर नहीं करोगे हमें पता नहीं चलेगा whether it's working or not.
Can
Yes,
I-
Karuna. Yes, Karuna.
हाँ मैम, मैं तो अभी कल ही हॉस्पिटल से आई हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि माइंड थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट हो गया था ये सब चीजों में, तो अच्छा लग रहा था
क्या
जब
अच्छा लगा? आपने कहाँ पे बॉडी में हाथ लगाया जब आपने सोचा?
हार्ट पे ही
हार्ट में।
आप जैसे बता रहे थे वैसे ही।
और आपने खुद को बोला आई फील यू एंड आई एम विथ यू?
नहीं, ये नहीं बोला, सिर्फ वो ब्रेथ इन ब्रेथ आउट यही किया।
Yes, so it's very important you tell I see you and I mean I feel you and I'm with you.
ओके।
और अच्छा लगा भी अंडरस्टैंड, बट कितना अच्छा लगा और क्या अच्छा लगा? मतलब आपका दर्द कम हो गया, फिजिकल दर्द कम हुआ, क्या अच्छा लगा?
सब लोग से मिल लिया मैंने बहुत दिन से
ओके
नहीं मिली थी मैम, 1 वीक से नहीं मिल पा रही थी मैं।
ओके, वो अच्छा लगा। एक्टिविटी के बारे में बताइए।
एक्टिविटी भी मैम थोड़ा माइंड को शांति मिली है, मतलब मैंने 30-40% अभी मैंने थोड़ा रिलैक्स फील किया।
Okay, great. So any third person sharing? One more person. Two people have shared. Thank you, Karuna. Anybody else would like to share?
थैंक यू मैम।
अगर अच्छा नहीं भी लगा तो वो भी शेयर कर सकते हैं कि मुझे तो कुछ फर्क ही नहीं लगा। दैट्स टोटली फाइन।
नो मैम, आई एम विथ यू बोल के हमें लग रहा है कि मैं खुद के साथ हूँ।
यस
हाँ, तो जैसे ही खुद के साथ होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। हम लोग कभी कभी भटक जाते हैं इधर उधर,
यस, थैंक यू
तो
दैट्स
ये
वेरी
खुद के
इंपॉर्टेंट।
साथ होना ऑलवेज। हाँ
You Deepa, this now let me explain this activity to you and what is the meaning of it. So what did we do? Let me share the screen. So this is the activity connecting with the body. Now everything that we feel is in the body. So अगर आपके बच्चे जो क्लास में है, इफ यू आर सेंसिंग कि उनके अंदर गुस्सा है या डर है या उनके अंदर बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम है, all that you need to do is you don't have to tell them the activity. You can tell them, okay, close your eyes. कहाँ लग रहा है, कहाँ महसूस हो रहा है बॉडी में? They will say, अरे ये पेट दुख रहा है, तो पेट पे हाथ रखो. Feel the sensations by touch. Breathe and say I feel you and I'm with you and relax. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये एक्टिविटी समझ में आ गया, उसका स्टेप समझ में आ गया. एवरीबॉडी, आई कांट, बिकॉज फर्स्ट इज टू फील द प्रॉब्लम, फील द इमोशन and then connect with the
Yes,
body.
ma'am.
Yeah, did you understand, Kusum?
Yes,
Very clear steps. If you have any problem, whether it's a emotional problem, physical problem or a relationship problem कुछ भी होने दो, it is associated with a body sensation. Am I correct or not? डर लगता है तो किधर डर लगता है? अपने शरीर में लगता है या शरीर के बाहर लगता है?
it's very much in the body.
Exactly, correct. So every sensation, every feeling, every problem is felt in the body. Now, if you understand the science behind it, you'll be amazed. All diseases happen because there is no connection with the body. We lose connection with the body. The more we are connected to the body, the less the physical problems. Do you get it? It's that powerful. So what is the step is to feel the problem in the body by feeling the body sensations. And where is it that you feel the body sensations? Put your hand there. Now this is a physical connection. So it could be in the knees, it could be on the brain, it could be in the throat. So if the child is saying कि मेरा गला दुख रहा है, I can't speak because my throat is aching. So you're saying, okay, put your hand on the throat. The child will put the hand on the throat. Now what I have to do? Breathe. Step 3 is breathe. Then what do I have to do? Say to the throat, I feel you and I'm with you. Correct? And then relax. That's it. Let me tell you, throat एक गायब हो जाएगा. Why don't you people try it to see the impact of this, because without क्रोसिन, बिना खाए क्रोसिन का असर होगा? नहीं, क्रोसिन खाओगे तब तो असर होगा ना. This is medicine. What you're learning is like a medicine toolkit. If you're not going to eat the medicine, you will not understand the impact of it. The doctor prescribes the medicine because he knows the impact of it. Now, you all are the doctors in the form of teachers who are going to be prescribing medicines to the children. And these medicines are like good medicines. They don't have any side effects. The more they will practice, the better it is. Why? Because they will be connected with their body. Do you get it? So suppose a child is feeling very frustrated because their parents shout at them. Hota hoga na, these children are coming from underprivileged background, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
So they must be carrying a lot of baggage from their parents, from their siblings, from so many people. Physical hitting, scolding, bad words, all of that. What happens? It all goes inside the body. And they are not able to concentrate in class. So what you have to do is help them to connect with their body. Did everyone understand this technique? Because I want to know whether you've understood this technique or not. Can somebody explain this technique and why are we using this technique? What is the actual reason, the deeper meaning of this technique? Sangeeta, can you explain to me, or Geeta Chaudhary, or Karuna? No, Karuna already spoke. Shubham is, what's her name? Babita. So somebody explain this technique to me and why are we doing this technique? What is the purpose behind this technique? कोई मुझे बताइए फिर से. Let me put this for charging. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Tell me. One of you all tell me who has not spoken so far. Sapna, आप बताइए.
Ma'am, this technique is help us to understand what is wrong with our behavior, या what is wrong in our body. Like अगर किसी बच्चे को कुछ गुस्सा आ रहा है तो क्यों आ रहा है, और अगर हम उसे ये थेरेपी देते हैं लाइक कि तुम फील करो अपने पेन को, अपनी बॉडी को, और रिलैक्स करो अपनी बॉडी को, तो वो अपने ही थेरेपी से, अपने खुद की थेरेपी से खुद की हेल्थ को, दर्द को या फिर उस फ्रस्ट्रेशन को कम कर पाएगा.
उसके क्लियर स्टेप्स क्या हैं? ये टेक्निक के क्लियर स्टेप्स, ये टेक्निक का नाम क्या है?
नाम तो आई डोंट नो मैम, बट
कनेक्टिंग विद द बॉडी.
Connecting body. Yes.
कनेक्टिंग विद द बॉडी.
और इसके क्लियर स्टेप्स क्या हैं? इसके क्लियर स्टेप्स.
Step first to close your eyes, breathe deeply, then feel your body parts and relax your body.
First step is to feel the body sensation. किधर
Okay,
गुस्सा, अगर कुछ भी हो रहा है, सपोज बच्चा बोलता है कि मुझे डर लग रहा है, सपोज आपको डर लग रहा है, तो व्हाट इज स्टेप नंबर 1? फील द बॉडी सेंसेशंस.
Okay, I thought कि first relax your body, then feel the sensation where you
अगर
feel.
डर
That is the
लगता है तो
sensation.
कैसे? सो गिव मी, लिसन टू मी. अगर आपको डर लग रहा है, सपोज आपको डर लग रहा है कि आपके पापा आपको थप्पड़ मारेंगे, तो आप रिलैक्स कर पाओगे?
यस मैम, बट अगर हम टीचर बोलती है कि यू जस्ट फील रिलैक्स, कोई बात नहीं, सब कुछ ठीक होगा.
No. So pause. This is not what I'm saying. This is not what I'm saying. This is very different from what I'm saying. Do you understand? Please understand, ये हम जो सीख रहे हैं ना, this is life science. इसको आप तोड़ मड़ोड़ के कुछ भी नहीं यूज कर सकते हो. See, I don't want you all to dismantle it और कुछ भी कर लिया, ऐसा नहीं करना है.
Okay.
नहीं नहीं पापा डांट नहीं मारेंगे, आप रिलैक्स करो। नो, अगर डर लग रहा है तो डर को फील करो, मेक फ्रेंड्स विथ फियर। Do you understand? See, if you don't understand this concept, you won't be able to use it the way I would like you to use it.
Yes, yes.
उसका उल्टा असर होगा। अगर डर लगता है बच्चे को तो क्या बोलना है? डरो मत, या बेटा फील करो डर को। क्या बोलना है?
Feel your fear.
Why? अगर बोलेंगे बच्चे को नहीं नहीं डर मत, तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो डर छुप जाएगा अपने शरीर में
Correct.
और वो डिजीज बन जाएगा। Do you understand this concept, everybody? I'm
Yes.
going to understand from each and every person after the training whether you've understood these concepts or not. अगर गुस्सा आता है बच्चे को, Kusum, tell me, if your student is getting angry, will you tell that student to not get angry, or will you tell the student to feel the anger in the body?
To feel the anger in the body.
Why? Why?
That's the root cause. He or she has to understand one's body. Only then the solutions will come.
Absolutely correct. If we don't feel our anger, the anger sits in the body and can even become cancer. Even because what happens to the anger, it multiplies. So let me explain this concept. See, if you don't understand this, you will not understand the essence of it. Suppose I've got hurt on my hand and it is bleeding, and I cover it up and I don't look at it, and I say नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं दुख रहा है, and I don't look at it for 1 week, what will happen? It will start paining more. Yes, na?
Yes.
And then I still cover it. कि नहीं मुझे ये पेन देखना है, नहीं दुख नहीं रहा है. And imagine if I cover this pain, this wound for 1 year, 10 years. What will happen after 10 years? Will it become poisonous? सड़ जाएगा? ये wound सड़ जाएगा कि नहीं? If I have not seen it at all, कि नहीं wound तो है ही नहीं, मैंने उसको अच्छे से प्लास्टिक बांध दिया है, टेप लगा दिया है, सब कुछ. Will it become poison after 10 years, for example? I'm exaggerating it. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So when we negate our problems and emotions, this is what happens. I'll give you another example. अगर हम घर को साफ नहीं करते हैं और वो कचरे को कारपेट के नीचे छुपा देते हैं, हर वक्त साफ ही नहीं करना है, अरे मेहमान आ रहे हैं, कचरे को छुपा देते हैं कारपेट के नीचे, 1 साल 10 साल तक अगर कचरा कारपेट के नीचे है तो क्या होगा? Will the house smell or will it not smell? And will there be cockroaches and will there be all kinds of insects and mosquitoes and stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. So बच्चों को अपना emotions और problems छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं है. What you have to do is to connect with the body. Where do you feel this problem in your body? Where do you feel this emotion in your body? Connect with that, touch that body part, wherever that is. And children are very good at this. And then what you have to do? You have to say it. I feel you and I'm with you, and then relax. If you're going to relax first only, it doesn't happen. Kusum, if you are angry and I tell you, Kusum, relax, will you be able to relax?
I will say you don't understand my problem.
Exactly. So usually we've seen that when children are crying or where they're getting angry or when they're scared, what do we say? We divert their attention. We don't allow them to feel their anger and their fear. or they're crying, whatever they're doing. We try to divert. कि डर लग रहा है, चल चल छोड़ छोड़. डरना डरना बुरी बात है. नहीं नहीं, डरते थोड़ी हैं. छोटे बच्चे रोते थोड़ी नहीं. You're a strong boy. लड़की की तरह क्यों रो रहा है? Correct? We say all these things, which can actually cause harm. Do you understand this concept? So what is important is that they feel this in their body. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I want you all to practice this with each other and with your own self. Until next time. Next time when you feel an emotion or you sense a problem, take a few deep breaths, connect with the body part, say to this body part, touch that body part, tell that body part, I feel you and I'm with you, and then relax and see what is happening. What is the change that is happening? Even if it's a physical problem, headache, stomach ache, diarrhea, constipation, leg ache, muscle ache, even if it is that. Okay? So this is it. This is it for today. When are we meeting next time? Suvarna, you are taking charge, right? Or Chetali Didi, I don't know who's taking charge.
पूजा है ना मैम? पूजा
पूजा ने बोला सुवर्णा.
ओके ओके मैम. नहीं, पूजा भी अटेंड करती है तो पूजा मतलब शी इज एडमिन ना.
हाँ, okay. So Pooja, you tell me when are we meeting?
पूजा का फोन का कुछ हुआ शायद प्रॉब्लम.
Okay. So
पूजा लिखा है to everyone
on Saturday, on Thursday लिखा है उसने.
Thursday and Saturday लिखा है मैम ने.
So we'll meet. Are we all going to meet on Thursday? Is everybody okay with Thursday? Who is not okay with Thursday? Please raise your hand.
नहीं, वो खोल के बोलो जो मैं नहीं थर्सडे. अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट करके बोलो मैं नहीं हूँ.
You can even raise your hand. I can see you. I mean, if whoever is raising the hand, please show me your face and raise your hand. So everybody is there on Thursday. I'm assuming everybody is there on Thursday, which means there are 13 participants. No, sorry, 14. 14 participants. Sangeeta and me ko mila ke 6. Sangeeta, who's my student, who's from my side, not the other Sangeeta. So all 14 teachers are going to be there on Thursday is what I'm assuming. And Suvarna, please send me the list of the name of phone numbers, and type it and send.
ओके मैम.
Because I don't want to go wrong. I want to save those numbers.
यस मैम. यस, आई विल.
And whoever didn't attend on Saturday, please understand from the rest of the teachers. And if you don't have clarity, please call me directly. I will sit and make you understand. But it's very important that you understand the concept very well, more than the activity. Is the concept very clear today? Suvarna, is the concept very clear? Okay, great. So let's end the session with one word or one sentence that you have about the session today. What is it that you're feeling, or what is it that you liked about the session, or what is it that you didn't like, or something like that. So let me start. I'm a little disturbed because I started late, and that's my thing about this. Suvarna?
यस मैम. समटाइम एट द सेशन शुरू होने से पहले आई एम स्पीचलेस. मैं क्या करूं, व्हाट टू डू. आई एम सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. सोच नहीं रहा था कि क्या करूं.
Okay. So what about the session today? What do you feel about the session today?
After then join the session, I feel good. Then come down, feel थोड़ा अच्छे से किया, रिलैक्स फील किया बाद में, and tension साइड में रख दिया. That's it.
Okay, nice. Who is next? Kusum?
Yes, I could relate to everything. And I was wondering how basically online, when we meet with the students online, how much we can practice this, but definitely I will start. We will all start.
That's when the creativity comes in. That's when, because you know your students more than I know. So that's, I'm not saying it's a challenge. That's your creativity that will come in. How can I implement this? Once you understand the concept, you will understand exactly what to do with your child, with your student. And I'm there to guide you. So we will practice. Sapna.
फीलिंग गुड एंड मैम आई एम रिग्रेटिंग कि मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया क्लास को. सॉरी फॉर दैट.
It's okay. Yes.
फीलिंग
Thank
गुड
you.
मैम.
Yes. Shilpa.
Hi Didi. Today I like today's tools means connect with body.
Thank you.
Yes.
Deepa.
Hello.
Yes.
First, I'm sincerely apologize because हमारे इसमें जो कुछ भी मतलब लेट ज्वाइनिंग वगैरह हुआ, इसका आपको थोड़ा बहुत तकलीफ हुआ है, इसके लिए हम पहले सॉरी बोलते हैं. और आज का सेशन मुझे ये जो आई एम विथ यू आपने जो बोला वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
तुमको कैसा लगा?
Nice.
उन्होंने पूछ रही है.
हाँ, वही मैंने बोला मैम कि आई एम विथ यू, ये जो वर्ड है वो मुझे अच्छा लगा.
क्यों
Okay.
अच्छा लगा? हाँ.
क्यों अच्छा लगा? दीदी पूछ रही है क्यों अच्छा?
हेलो.
दीपा, क्यों अच्छा लगा?
ये जो वर्ड है, ये वर्ड सपोर्ट तो करता है किसी को खुद के लिए. अब अगर हम खुद के बारे में भी बोलेंगे कि आई एम विथ यू, खुद के साथ होना, हम दूसरों की मदद करते हो तो दूसरों के साथ होना, तो ये सारी चीजें एक दूसरे को कनेक्ट करती है और सपोर्ट करती है. फिजिकली भी, मेंटली ये चीजें एक दूसरे को कनेक्ट करने में बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है, तो इसके लिए मुझे वो अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू दीपा. अभी आप बताएंगे चैताली दीदी?
आज मैंने तो बहुत ज्यादा इसमें नहीं, मेरे को 2-3 क्लासेस में जाना पड़ा देखने के लिए. नया क्लास शुरू हुआ, सो मैं पूरा नहीं देख पाई, पर जितना देखी मुझे लगा ये बहुत हेल्पफुल है हमारे टीचर्स के लिए. क्योंकि बहुत बार मैंने देखा है टीचर्स मुझे आके बोलते हैं ये हुआ, प्रॉब्लम हुआ, मैं फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो जा रहा हूँ बच्चे लेके. कुसुम कभी कभी मुझे बहुत बार बोलती है, जो मैं इतना बार सिखाता हूँ बट वो लोग का दिमाग में कुछ जा ही नहीं रहा है. सो बहुत टीचर्स बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, स्पेशली ये लॉकडाउन में. बच्चे थोड़ा खुद ही हम भी बिखर गए, हमारा खुद का बैलेंस भी चले जा रहा है, तो छोटे छोटे बच्चे का तो होगा ही. सो मैंने तो बहुत छोटे बच्चे का मतलब ऑनलाइन उन लोगों को देखा है, एंड देन देखे है घर के अंदर क्या प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. एंड देन मेरा क्लासेस होते हैं हमारे लेडीज ग्रुप से, सो वो क्लासेस भी वो लेडीज लोग भी बहुत ही डिप्रेस्ड एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होके है. सो इसमें बच्चे हम लोग को जितना मिल रहा है वो काफी है. सो काफी है जो मिल रहा है. 300 करीब 250 का ऊपर बच्चे थे, अभी शायद 120 ऐसा कुछ तो भी बच्चा आ रहा है. सो इट इज ये कितने बड़े, क्या ये 2 साल जो कितने बड़े बच्चे का ऊपर एक ट्रॉमा जा रहा है. ये
So this will really help us to remove the trauma from, not remove, for the child to feel the trauma inside. Of course, बच्चे नहीं है, but see, even if you can teach one, that one can teach another, बच्चे spread करेंगे. And even we
करेंगे, बट हमारे टीचर का ही काम है ये सब करना, क्योंकि बच्चे तो बच्चे के साथ इतना अच्छे से नहीं मिल पा रहा है, बट आजकल शायद मिल रहा है. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अभी कुछ दिन से मिल रहा है, and इसीलिए इतना स्प्रेड हो रहा है. सो बट ये मुझे लग रहा है हेल्पफुल है बच्चे टीचर्स को, बट मुझे पता नहीं है उन
Thank-
लोगों ने क्या. एक्चुअली मैं टीचर लोग को भी कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं, इस कारण है उनके ऊपर भी बहुत प्रेशर है, कौन सा करे कौन सा नहीं करे.
So if you are feeling the pressure, where are you feeling the pressure? Is everybody feeling the pressure? Let's end by doing this exercise one more time. If you're feeling the pressure, let's say on a scale of 0 to 10, where are you feeling this pressure? I forget the scale. Feel the pressure. कुछ तो pressure है, मुझे भी है. भले वो काम का हो, सब्जी का हो, पैसे का हो, रिलेशनशिप का हो, feel the pressure. कि हाँ मुझे प्रेशर है. पहले खुद को बोलो, हाँ मुझे बहुत प्रेशर है. And breathe. And through breathing, feel the body sensations. किधर महसूस हो रहा है प्रेशर? शरीर के कौन से हिस्से में वो प्रेशर महसूस हो रहा है? Take another breath. Scan your body from head to toe. There will be some body part that will tell idhar hai pressure. And put your hand over there. And now tell this body part, I feel you and I'm with you. And breathe. Take about 5 deep breaths and keep saying, say it out. I'm with you and I feel you. I'm with you and I feel you. And feel the pressure. Pressure को महसूस करो. I feel you and I'm with you. And just relax. Just relax. Body को loose छोड़ दो. Just relax. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. So I don't know pressure kam hua ke nahi, but the point is, the goal is not to reduce the pressure. The goal is to feel the pressure. Please remember this. The outcome is the pressure will go down, but that is not your focus. Your focus is क्या मैंने pressure महसूस किया के नहीं? Did I feel it? Feel it fully. The minute you feel it fully, the pressure will go down automatically. That's the way our body is created. That's the science. That's the biology. Am I clear? So let's end today's session with let's say together, I feel fully. Let's say it all together. Let's unmute ourselves and say, I feel fully, whether it's good or a bad emotion. I feel fully.
I feel fully.
I feel fully. I feel fully.
I feel
Yes, I feel fully. So this is what I want you to tell your students. Feel fully. डर लगता है तो जी भर के डरो. When the child doesn't feel fully, that's when problems happen. Okay? So I shall see you on Thursday. Sorry, was somebody saying something? No? Okay. So please practice till Thursday. I will send Saturday and today's thing on WhatsApp, the document. Please read it. Please practice, because if you do not practice, you will not understand the essence of it. Okay? Please log in at 4:55 p.m. on Thursday. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
yes.
Bye.
Bye.
And I'll also send you the recording to Pooja. I'll send the recording to Pooja. Okay? Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.